I'm a photographer, and I can't see. As a child, my vision began to fail me. By the time I was 8 years old, I bordered on legally blind. Sports, the outdoors, even reading the chalkboard became almost impossible. I grew up and eventually became a travel photographer. But my burden followed me wherever I'd go. Fumbling with contacts, breaking countless glasses, I was at the mercy of my vision every single day. So I made a change. Lasik MD brought me in, offering a solution. The process was easy, their people were incredible, and when I walked out, I could see. This was more than just a journey of fixing my vision. This was a journey of fixing my life.